in the chaos. You have to laugh, otherwise you would cry. Amidst the chaos of weight loss ups and downs, there's room for laughter. We've all been there, grumbling at our wobbly bits and celebrating small victories like fitting into undersized jeans, albeit with a spare tire cascading over the waistband. Sometimes, you just have to laugh at the absurdity of it all. Embracing the journey, imperfections, and all. I'm determined to carry on, no matter what. In the end, the yo-yo syndrome teaches us a valuable lesson. Weight loss is a treasure trove of profits for the unscrupulous. Weight loss is not a worthwhile path to travel. Instead, understand that you are really embarking on a challenging journey to get your natural body shape back and to rejuvenate your fat-embellished body. Reshaping your body is a diverse and unpredictable adventure. Embrace the journey, imperfections, and all. Celebrate the highs, learn from the lows, and remember that the only way you can fail is if you give up.